guys, welcome back to Thread and Glue Designs. Today I have something a little bit different for you. I went down a rabbit hole looking for a piece of ephemera for a project I was doing, and in doing so I ended up creating a 33-page digital kit. And this is a sewing themed kit. It is called A Stitch in Time. And so we'll just flip one through here and let you see it. Lots of good ephemera in this. Lots of good little quotes. This one says, "Wanted, criminal with sewing machine. Police say she is following a pattern." I tried to incorporate several little journaling spots that could be used. And color coordinating everything. We have some tags and a couple of pockets here. A pocket, a tag, or a banner, whichever one you want to call it, and a couple of other pieces. We have 3 more tags here, and a cute basket with some thread and yarn. Here we have some various pieces. I think this is so cute, this little dress form with a ribbon where you could actually put your word or whatever you wanted on it. It's so cute. And then I love these vintage flowers. These are so fun. So we have those ephemera pieces. And now we have another page of ephemera. And I included a longer piece here that could be a washi or a belly band or whatever you'd like to use it for. And the cute little dress form and sewing machine, buttons, some just cute little stuff. Then I included a page of blank labels so that you could use them for whatever words you wanted to use on it. And then I included a page of various sewing themed things. It says, "Fabricologist, one who has perfected the game of stashing fabric away. Sewing mends the soul. Harder than it seems. I am creative. You can't expect me to be neat too." That is so true. So much to do, so little time, and I'm old spool. I love that one. That was my favorite one. Here's another page where we have some journaling spots, just different types for you. And I have gone through and found several words that are sewing related. And in the kit I included it in this cursive font, but I also included it in this font. I really like this font. Now we're getting into some of the actual pages. This is so pretty. This was like my favorite one when I put it in here. And then we have, let me turn it this way. Then we have this with the old sewing machine and vintage flowers and lace, a thimble and scissors. Fun, fun. This one is another beautiful one with a lovely floral background and then just a little bit of sewing stuff in the corner. This one I have left with just some lace trim on it, so it could be utilized in many ways. And this one here, I've actually got that one upside down. It actually goes like this, and it's got some crocheted lace at the top, a doily with a vintage flower, and this one has several doilies on the page and then a little bit of sewing ephemera already built in. Then we have this gorgeous one that is just layered laces. It's so pretty. It'll give lots of room for journaling, but it's just gorgeous. I think I'm doubled up. I am. Then I have this page, and that looks like a wrinkle, but it's not. It's actually the way it printed out. It prints out. It's a piece of pattern paper, and then we have a couple of little ephemera pieces to go with the sewing theme. Here we have a nice solid background. It's a little um, muddled, but it's one you could use for just about anything. Some more vintage flowers. I love this one. I think it's so pretty. Another good staple page. A page of burlap, of course. That can be used for so many things. Then we have this page with the pin cushion and thread and thimble on the top. Here we have a beautiful background. It's just a really soft faded background of vintage florals. This lovely older, I don't know how you would say that. Victorian maybe? I don't know. But with the vintage flowers and things there. This beautiful wallpaper, it looks like, which could be used for so many things. It's so pretty. We have this page here, and it goes like this. So very cute. This one looks like another wallpaper one. Easy to use for many things. And the final one, easy to use, again for many things. And that concludes the 33-page kit. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I will leave the link to the kit in the description box below. And let me know your thoughts. Leave me some comments and let me know if this is, if this is the right direction or not, if you guys like it, what your thoughts are on it. And I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much, you guys. Have a great day. Bye.